Servitilio, Sir, to our school governing council officials and to the barangay captains that are here with us today, the SPTA officials headed by the President, Sir Roldan M. Briones, to the teaching and non-teaching personnel, to our proud parents, my fellow graduates, the completers and guests, I am wishing you all a delightful afternoon. Graduation is not just a culmination of years of hard work and dedication. It is also a celebration of the countless individuals who have supported us along the way. Join me as we honor who have touched our heart in meaningful ways and express our sincere appreciation for all that they have given us. To our principal, Sir Eugene P. Servitilio, your guidance and support have made a significant impact on shaping the school community and fostering a culture of excellence. Your vision and commitment to continuous improvement have set a shining example for all of us, and I feel privileged to be a part of the school led by such an inspiring and visionary leader. To the advisors of grade 12 curriculum and all our dedicated teachers since grade 7, thank you for imparting your knowledge, wisdom, and passion for learning. Your guidance has shaped our minds, challenged our perspectives, and inspired us to reach new heights. Your belief in our potential has fueled our journey toward this momentous day. To the Orion's advisor, Sir Francis M. Suge, on behalf of your Orion kids, thank you for always being there to listen, to offer pieces of advice, and to provide a helping hand whenever we need it. Your encouragement and belief in our abilities have inspired us to strive for excellence, and we are thankful for the ways in which you have shaped our growth and development. Thank you, Sir. We, the Orions, are so proud of you, and we love you more than words could ever express. To my Orions, over the past 2 years, we shared countless memories, laughter, and complaints together. We lifted each other up, supported each other through challenges, and celebrated each other's successes. As we embark on our separate journeys, I hope that we'll stay connected and continue to support each other from afar. I have no doubt that we'll make a difference in our own unique ways. Thank you for making my senior high school journey unforgettable. I also want to acknowledge the friendship we have made along the way. The ones who have lifted us up when we stumbled, and the ones who have stood by us through thick and thin. Bulldogs and A-Team, I am grateful for the countless memories we've shared, the laughter we have enjoyed, and the bond we have forged over the years. Thank you, dear friends, for being my pillars of strength and my sources of happiness. To my Nakal and Ka, from study sessions to celebratory moments of success, both of you have been there every step of the way, cheering me on, offering a listening ear, sharing in both my joys and challenges. Thank you for always being there for me. To my Amira, my refuge, thank you for making me feel safe, for staying with me through my ups and downs, and for always making me feel seen, heard, and loved. To the one who has been my motivation to do better, I want you to know that your presence has saved me in ways you may never fully comprehend. You have been my motivation to study well, excel academically, and become the best version of myself. I am truly grateful for the positive impact you have had on me. Finally, yet importantly, I want to express my deepest gratitude to our families. From late-night study sessions to the moments of self-doubt, you have been our unwavering pillars of strength and support. Your endless love, encouragement, and sacrifices have laid the foundation for our success. To my parents who are working abroad, I am truly thankful for the sacrifices you make every day, for the countless missed moments and milestones that you have forgone in order to provide us with better opportunities and a better life. Thank you, Ma'am, Pa. Kahit wala kayo rito para panoorin ako, pakinggan ako, ramdam ko rito ang pagmamahal at suporta niyo. So, my fellow graduates and completers, as we stand on the cusp of this new chapter in our lives, let us take a moment to reflect on the incredible journey that had led us to this milestone. Today, we celebrate not only our academic achievements, but also the resilience, determination, and unwavering spirit that have propelled us forward. Remember, the future is bright, and with dedication, passion, and willingness to embrace change, we have the power to shape our own destiny. To cut the long story short, we survived. Congratulations to us all.
Thank you, Josephine. For the pledge of loyalty, let us hear from Miss Lorraine B. Gingham with high honors.